What's up everybody, my name is Phil and welcome to Miranda Detailing, where we make satisfying detailing videos. So today we're working with Lithium products and we're going to show you how to clean and condition your neglected leather. So we're working on an older vehicle that has some leather that has seen better days. It's not cracking or damaged yet, but it has definitely been worn down. But we're going to gently clean it and then protect it with these three products. So to start, we're using Hyper Cleanse. So this product is great for cleaning up the interior of your vehicle. We're going to use it primarily for the leather seats. So we also have their Hydrate Rehab. Now this is a cream formula. It is their leather conditioner. And this stuff is going to be used on one of the seats in the vehicle that we're going to clean. And the other product is their Leather Love. Now this is a unique product because it's in a paste formula. So you use a microfiber applicator or a foam applicator to apply this onto the leather. So this is more of a reconditioning type of product, and it's going to bring back the softness to the leather. So we're going to show you how to use these products. Start with a thorough vacuuming and dusting of the leather first, getting into all those seams. Now you can use two different methods, either a nice soft brush, or we like to use a magic eraser type sponge. So spray some of the Hyper Cleanse either onto the leather itself or onto your brushes. You can also use a brush to be able to agitate the cleaner. Work the product in thoroughly. The product is pH balanced and doesn't have any caustic smell to it. You can even use it on all of your plastics and carpet. It's more of an all-purpose cleaner, but designed specifically for leather. Make sure to get into those crevices and the creases of the leather, but if your leather is older and showing some age, then go gently. Don't be too aggressive with cleaning. The magic eraser sponge does clean a little bit better than the brush. But still, use caution. Don't clean too aggressively if your leather has some slight damage or wear to it. Hyper Cleanse will leave your leather perfectly clean and ready for some conditioning. You may notice here that I didn't clean too aggressively on this leather because the top coating was starting to deteriorate, so I cleaned very gently. If your leather is really dried out, use Leather Love and work it into the leather. This product is very thick and adds a lot of moisture to the leather, so work it in thoroughly. You can leave the product on there to sit for a few hours. That way it soaks into the leather. You may need to apply a couple of coats if your leather is really dried out. Now on the passenger side, we cleaned it just like the driver's side, but here we're applying Hydrate Rehab. Now this conditioner can be used more for newer leather or leather and plastic that is in good condition. Again, thoroughly spread the product out onto the surface, let it soak in for a few minutes or up to an hour or more, and apply additional coats as needed. This will really bring back the luster and the luxurious feel of the leather. It's not greasy or oily at all. It dries to the touch and leaves a perfect finish. You notice here I do have some damage on the leather, and I didn't want to go any further. These products will breathe new life into your leather interior. So guys, there you have it. When you're dealing with old, neglected leather, you have to tread carefully. Be very gentle when cleaning it, and don't try to get every single stitch and crease of the leather as clean as possible, because you may end up going too far and damaging it. So with these products, these are gentle enough to clean it and keep it hydrated and conditioned for as long as possible. Now, I would recommend using the Hydrate Rehab, I'd say every few months, and the Leather Love, maybe once every 6 months or so, depending on what your leather needs. If it sits outdoors and it sees a lot of sun and it dries up, use these products more often and you'll see a big difference. So guys, if you want to pick up these products, go to carguysupplies.com and enter code Miranda20 for 20% off. I have links down below. So I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, give it a thumbs up, like it, share with others who may enjoy it, and don't forget to subscribe and click that bell. That way you get notifications each time our videos drop each week and you don't miss stuff. So thank you guys for watching. We'll see you in the next one. Have a great week.